or else you will get negative feedback. Is this the class? This guy is providing. Also, I think there is lot of grammar mistake in that session.
So how was this session?
Yeah, it was a great session, and we go how cleared all of my main doubts, and I am very happy about this. Thank you for providing this session for free. If I have gone to some other institute, they should have definitely charged me a lot of money. Also, you didn't bothered about time. That is a very good thing for me because as per the deal, you only provide 20. You have spoke to me more than like 40 minutes now.
Yeah.
And I think it was very great. So you are helping a lot of people.
So what is one thing that you like about me or whatever I do, Celestial IELTS? You have observed me, I guess, on Telegram and Insta.
Yeah, because you are providing a lot of free sessions for a lot of people who are having a lot of difficulty in preparing for IELTS, and which is a very good thing because nobody does that now. Also, one of the main feature is you are presenting mock test every weekdays. Like they will doing that will build some confidence in candidates because they will know how much improvement they would get for crack the IELTS, and they also do mock test gain some confidence, and it is very hard to get nowadays. So this is the thing I have realized from your sessions so far. I think that you are a good person who promotes education to free for a lot of people, and I really appreciate you for doing that because I have found 2 or 3 partners and which they have also helped me to learn some speaking styles from that. I have also helped them also. So it was like a great because finding a proper speaking partner is hard because by only speaking we can improve the English. If you are not able to get a proper speaking partner, we will not be able to develop our language skills. So it was a great thing because also not there are also some of the fellow in that group which have also had a mind like me because they also want to crack IELTS as soon as possible and get into abroad universities. So all those guys will definitely pray for your success and may God be with you.
You heard what Sajad has to say about one-on-one free consultation that he had with me. If you want to book your one-on-one free consultation, just click on the link given below or join my Telegram channel. You can find the same link over there. If you are looking for free practice sessions, free guidance and everything, just come and join my Telegram channel. You can simply search Celestial IELTS on Telegram and you will find my channel. It will look like this over here and you can simply join. Okay, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe and comment down. At the same time, we got Instagram pages as well, so please look at it and give us a follow. It means a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to join our classes, just text me on WhatsApp on this number. Bye bye, see you with another video.